the addition version of it is easier. But if any of you have experience with vectors in math and you find it's better or easier for you to do it with the subtraction, it's up to you. Now, some of you will hear me see from time to time an equation always have an equal sign, right? Now, for this to make more sense, I'll do an illustration. So let's say we have some vectors here, right? Let's see. Let's say this is C, this is E, this is B. Okay, and we needed to go from vector A to B, as we have here. So if a question is asking you in math to find vector AB, if the question doesn't have a diagram, please draw a diagram, a sketch just like what I have on the screen. Otherwise, it's going to be difficult to really understand what to do. Yeah, like even I mean, probably at this point, I could create a vector diagram without a vector equation without the diagram, but sometimes it could be kind of tricky. So to avoid stressing, so sketch something. Right, so in order to go from A to B normally in vectors, the first letter is your start, the second letter is your end, which means in your vector equation, if you're doing the addition method like me, you start with the first letter, you end with the second letter in the vector. So that means you are starting from here. This is your start point, A is your start point. Then you head down to C, and then you continue from C to B, your endpoint. So that's how the vector in this case would equation would be created with A to C, and then you continue from C to B. It's like in real life, if you all are going on a journey, right? Now I know not everybody here from Trinidad, but I'll just mention a few locations, right? Let's say you're in okay, you don't even have to be Stanford. Let's say you're in Shogunas, right? And we could call the start, I'll just put it in short as Shack, right? And you want to get to Port of Spain, which is the capital city, okay? POS in short. You could go directly from Shag or Chaguanas to Port of Spain, but in vectors, that's not how you do it. You start at Shag or Chaguanas. You take another route, you go to another location, C, so in this case, we might say Kurup or something, and then you continue from Kurup to Port of Spain. You have to continue from where you are. You can't just randomly jump around places. Okay, so you all would see more of this. Now, I know some of you were in, or still is in the Thursday class, I believe. Was it? I think it's Thursday class. I did some factors. I haven't done it in Monday classes, but I will get to that, okay? So yeah, I'm not sticking to this. I hope you all got a formula. And please know, all vector equations are not going to have the same letters. So if you had like vector OA, it may look something like you always start from the first letter if you're doing the addition version. You might go to B or whatever other letter it have, and then you continue from B and you end at A. So it's always, in this case, this is your first, this is your end, and whatever letter you have in the middle is there twice. So you always